HFS Series horizontal filtration system with self-cleaning sand valve underdrain. Hungerford Terry's horizontal filter allows for single-cell or multi-cell designs where maximum efficiency is required and available space is limited. The inlet distributor piping allows for uniform distribution of raw water and the collection of backwash wastewater. Hungerford Terry can provide several options for inlet distributor designs. The large surface area provided by the horizontal filter allows for higher flow capacities in a more compact area. The typical filtration media is comprised of anthracite, green sand plus, and a graded gravel support bed. A concrete subfill is required to prevent any hideout zones, allowing for complete treatment of the raw water. The sand valve's construction of stainless steel, Monel, and a Delrin threaded shank provides corrosion resistance and mechanical integrity unequaled in the water treatment industry. Unlike nozzles with fixed openings for water distribution, the sand valve features high-quality, durable Monel splines that are located on the perimeter of the sand valve. These splines are free-floating, hence the orifice openings above and below the splines are in flux with changes in the water flow and direction, from filtering to backwash. The movement of the splines serves to break up any accumulation of calcium and other insolubles that otherwise tend to accumulate near fixed orifice openings. This movement provides a cleaning effect with the changes in the flow of water and serves to maintain reliable distribution in a place that is not highly accessible for maintenance, cleaning, or repair. The Hungerford Terry sand valve can be used with any media type that requires a graded gravel support bed. The Hungerford Terry HFS series filtration systems are designed to meet specific application requirements. They are typically constructed of either 8, 10, or 12-foot diameter vessels with straight shell lengths up to 40 feet or more. The vessels can be single-cell or partitioned into multi-compartments for improved performance and lower backwash flow rate requirements. The optional air scour and gravel retaining screen assemblies are also available based on system requirements. Since 1909, Hungerford Terry has been providing water treatment solutions. Contact the Hungerford Terry technical sales team to discuss your needs.